What is the maximum number of tags that can be associated with an AWS resource? A. 10b, 50c, 100d, 200. Answer: C. 100. Which AWS service provides a fully managed Kubernetes service for deploying, managing, and scaling containerized applications? A. Amazon ECSB, AWS Fargate C, Amazon EKSD, AWS Lambda. Answer: C. Amazon EKS. What is the purpose of AWS CloudFormation? A. To automatically scale EC2 instances based on demand. B. To provision and manage AWS infrastructure as code. C. To analyze and visualize log data for applications running on AWS. D. To automate the backup and recovery of data stored in Amazon S3. Answer: B. To provision and manage AWS infrastructure as code. Which AWS service can be used to deploy and manage serverless applications? A. AWS CloudFormation. B. AWS Lambda. C. AWS Code Deploy. D. Amazon ECR. Answer: B. AWS Lambda. What is the purpose of AWS X-Ray? A. To automate the testing of applications running on AWS. B. To monitor and debug distributed applications. C. To analyze and optimize the performance of AWS resources. D. To secure access to AWS resources. Answer: B. To monitor and debug distributed applications. Which AWS service can be used to automatically scale EC2 instances based on demand? A. AWS Auto-Scaling. B. Amazon ECSC, AWS Elastic Beanstalk. D. Amazon CloudFront. Answer: A. AWS Auto-Scaling. What is the purpose of AWS Code Commit? A. To monitor and analyze code repositories. B. To store and version control application code securely. C. To automate the deployment of applications to AWS. D. To manage and scale containerized applications. Answer: B. To store and version control application code securely. Which AWS service can be used to create and manage a virtual private cloud (VPC) within the AWS cloud? A. Amazon VPC. B. Amazon Route 53C, AWS Direct Connect. D. Amazon CloudFront. Answer: A. Amazon VPC. What is the purpose of Amazon CloudFront? A. To automatically scale EC2 instances based on demand. B. To provision and manage AWS infrastructure as code. C. To distribute content globally with low latency and high transfer speeds. D. To monitor and optimize the performance of AWS resources. Answer: C. To distribute content globally with low latency and high transfer speeds. Which AWS service can be used to perform real-time analytics on streaming data? A. Amazon Kinesis. B. Amazon Redshift. C. Amazon DynamoDB. D. Amazon S3. Answer: A. Amazon Kinesis. What is the purpose of AWS Lambda layers? A. To monitor and debug Lambda functions. B. To provide common code and libraries to Lambda functions. C. To manage and scale containerized applications. D. To store and version control application code securely. Answer: B. To provide common code and libraries to Lambda functions. Which AWS service can be used to securely store and manage sensitive information such as passwords, encryption keys, and API keys? A. AWS Cloud HSM. AWS Secrets Manager. C. AWS Key Management Service, KMS. D. AWS Shield. Answer: B. AWS Secrets Manager. What is the purpose of AWS Glue? A. To automate the testing of applications running on AWS. B. To analyze and visualize log data for applications running on AWS. C. To provision and manage AWS infrastructure as code. D. To prepare and load data for analytics. Answer: D. To prepare and load data for analytics. Which AWS service provides a fully managed, highly scalable, and distributed data storage service? A. Amazon S3. B. Amazon EFSC, Amazon EBSD, Amazon Glacier. Answer: A. Amazon S3. What is the purpose of AWS Certificate Manager, ACM? A. To automate the testing of applications running on AWS. B. To manage SSL, TLS certificates for AWS resources. C. To analyze and optimize the performance of AWS resources. D. To secure access to AWS resources. Answer: B. To manage SSL, TLS certificates for AWS resources. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.